channel Release on Netflix. Let's start the video now. After a year of being caught in quarantine, we ought to deliver Netflix a few mad props. It's been rolling out display after display, and one in all that maximum famous is the grand because of the female who stimulated it, Selena the series. Telling the tale of the Jano singer Selena Quintella's life, the display is going from an upward push to stardom till her tragic loss in 1995 while she was only 23 years old. As it is a biographical collection, this is not a type of display which you could pass on indefinitely. But it does suggest we nevertheless have extra flow to cover and extra tune to bounce on. Part of the collection is set to hit the streaming massive on May 4th, and we desperately want to realize what we will expect from the gorgeous costumes to new characters. Also, can Netflix maybe throw with inside the idea for an iconic song? We would like to admire it. When information of the project first broke, it became sure that it would be an opponent-constrained collection. The first half includes 9 episodes, and the second component will convey some other 9 episodes. Also, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more Netflix movies, web series reviews, news and updates. Season 1 ends around 1990 with the discharge of Selena's album When Camingo and her family's discovery of her mystery dating with Perez. The subsequent season will possibly function the discharge of Selena's first English language album and her 1992 elopement to Chris earlier than her loss of life. Netflix launched the entire trailer for Season 2 on April 15th of 2021, and it depicts that Selena comes with the possibilities of her fulfillment afforded her. The singer mults a solo opportunity, fan favor, and questions on her legacy with inside a minute preview. You can put together to pay attention to extra acquainted hits in Selena the Series Part 2, which has already been showing. The second installment will dive deeper into Selena's marriage to guitarist turned husband Chris Perez, Jesse Pose, and her ill-fated assembly with Yolanda Saldívar, Natasha Perez, the female answerable for her 1995 murder. Ahead the whole lot, we realize approximately about the second one season, which includes while it can be launched on Netflix. Thank you for watching the video till end. For more Netflix movies, web series, reviews, news and updates, please visit our website www.releaseonnetflix.com, and if you like our video then hit the like button and share it with your friends. Also to stay updated, please subscribe to our channel Release on Netflix.